Okay guys, in today's video we will be checking out the non-repaint indicator which you can use to trade any assets. Okay, and of course we will be checking this out together so that we will understand how it works, some of the features that comes with it, and how you can put them into use in order to make more profit from the platform or from your trading activities. Okay, so if you have been looking for the trading tools that can help you to get the best out of your trading activities, stay tuned and watch this video to the end so that you will get out the full gist about it. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, guys, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, guys, this is a custom made indicator. It is called the 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. But before I say much about this custom made indicator, okay, and let me quickly tell you a few things that happened within the last few weeks while using these trading tools, okay. I decided to bring it down to 1 hour time frame just to show you this, okay. This started a downtrend right from this resistance zone, gave us a sell signal, a downtrend signal, and of course, check it out from here to here. That's huge, guys. Before having this pullback, then of course, we add more right from here to this very moment. Okay, now check this out. Okay, because we had a little pullback around here, around this support region, but it gave us another sell signal and a downtrend signal at this spot. Check it out. Check it out. This is so unique, and this actually gives us about 123,553 points. Okay, this actually the trend came to an end at this point and gave us a new trend, which happened to be an uptrend. Okay, so this uptrend gave us a single buy here, and of course came to an end at this resistance zone. Now let's check out the total performance. It started from here and came to an end at this point. Okay, this is about 65,347 points. You can do your calculations. That's a lot of profit, guys. That's a lot of profit. And it switched back. It had a pullback actually, but this pullback is big enough for you to trade lower time frame. Okay. If I should measure the point for the pullback, okay, and this happened to give us 31,067 points. Okay, so the market range around there for a while before breaking out above it and give us a buy signal and an uptrend signal right from there, and that has been going on since then. Okay, this has been going on for days now because this is 51 candles of 1 hour time frame. That is, it has been going on for 51 hours. Okay, that's so amazing. And this has actually given us 97,843 points. Yesterday, I said it will achieve this TP right from here. Check it out. It achieved it. Now, in the ninth, I said it will be heading towards this. If it breaks out from here, it broke out from here, and you can see that it is heading towards this. This is the power of a non-repaint custom-made indicator, which can help you to analyze your assets easily. And I will start from the beginning this time around. I just used that to give us an update on what we did yesterday. So if you have been going on with the trade we had yesterday, here is your next point for gain next 1,200. Also for gain next 999. Also, please pardon me. I just want to quickly give us a quick tips on some of these trading activities that we had. It has also achieved that of gain X 999 because it happened to be here. Somewhere here you can see it has gotten there before getting down. I mean, pulling back a bit. So that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, the trend started from here, and check it out. It has gotten to this region. Now let's go back to what we have for today. Okay, so this is going to be a kind of video series, okay, because I will break down how the non-repaint 3M trend maker trading indicator is working. and I will even go down to the lowest time frame, which is 1 minute time frame, and see how beautiful it is. But before I dive into that fully, okay, let me quickly explain some of the features that this particular trading indicator is having. The first feature, which I love so much, is the trend. Okay, the trend comes in two different colors. We have the red color, which happen to be this. This is the red color, and it happens when the market is on downtrend. It only shows that the market is on downtrend at that point. And we have the yellow color, which happen to be this. Okay, this shows that the market is on uptrend at that particular point. Okay, so this is very, very important. And we also have the arrows. Okay, we have the red arrows and the blue arrows. Okay, so these are the red arrows. The red arrows shows that you should sell at that particular point, while the blue arrows shows that you should buy at this particular point. Okay. And of course, let me quickly use an opportunity also to explain to you what you should do when you are seeing all these things. Okay. For instance, like I've always been telling you, your support and resistance zones are also very, very important. Okay, your support and resistance zones are very, very important. So your support and resistance zones will let us know what you should do each time you see any of these things showing up. For instance, right here is the resistance zone. At the top right here is the resistance zone. When this got there, and you can see the yellow color was going, but when it got there, it was unable to break out above the resistance zone, and of course it switched the color from a yellow color to a red color. Okay, and it gave us a sell signal. This means that it is at a major resistance zone, and it is going to, it is about switching a trend at that particular point. That is, there is a change of character at that particular point, or a change of trend at that particular point. It is switching from an uptrend into a downtrend. It means the market is most likely to sell for a very long time at that particular point. The reason is it is coming from a major resistance zone, and of course it has not been able to break out above that resistance zone. So it means that the market is trying to change the trend at that particular point. So at that particular point, then you should follow the trend, which is going to be a downtrend. And of course, what should you do? You follow the sell arrow. Okay, so which means whenever the market is on downtrend like this, only follow the downtrend. That is the sell signals. Okay, most especially on lower time frame, only follow the sell signals. There will be pullbacks in between, but you can imagine if you had come in at this point. Okay, this pullback didn't get to your entry point, so you will still be in profit. And after the pullback, it will continue with the trend. Okay, here is another pullback. You will still be in profit. After the pullback, it will continue with the trend. Here is another pullback. You will still be in profit. After the pullback, it will still continue with the trend, and that is the beautiful part of it. Okay, so that is why it is important you follow the trend, the signal that supports the trend. So in this situation where the market is on downtrend, the red arrow is only the signal that supports the trading signal that supports the trend. Okay, and of course guys, except if you want to trade the pullbacks on higher time frame, that is when you can follow the pullbacks, um the other arrows, which is the blue arrows. And of course, if you should check out this pullback on lower time frame, it is good enough for you to make a lot of profit from there. But we should always remember that it is a pullback on higher time frame. Okay, so this is very, very important. So right there is another support region, is a support region, a major support region, and the market was coming on a downtrend before, got to this support region, tried it out, was unable to break out below it. Since it's unable to break out below it, the next thing that should happen is a switch in direction of the trend. which means it should switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, and that is what we got here, and it gave us a buy signal right from. You can see the blue arrow right there. So once the market is on uptrend, the major signal that is valid here is the buy signal, the blue arrow. Okay, so you can see it right from here. It started from here. Check it out, got to this region, had a major pullback. Like I said, you can still trade this pullback on lower time frame. Okay, it is good enough to give you a lot of profits. Okay, and after the pullback, let's say you started a buy trend and it got to this region, you will still be in profit even after this pullback, and of course it will go back up again, and of course gave you, there are small pullbacks in between here, but they are not strong enough to take you out of the market. Check out where you will be right now. Okay, and right now this is heading towards this region. Okay, and which will be a lot of profit for you at the end of the day. So you can even pick up a single trade for like a week or 2 weeks or even a month, and you will still be in profit throughout the month. For instance, let's say you actually placed an order for this. Let me quickly show you how to place, and don't worry, I'm going to teach you all the necessary things that you need to look out for before you place an order, and of course once you place an order, what you should do during the period. Okay, so let's say after getting the trend signal at this point, and you also got your blue arrow at this point, you place your order at this particular point, then you set your stop loss a little bit below this, or probably somewhere here. Okay, and of course you can see this would have given you profit, came down a bit, went back up. Okay, so this region came down a bit, went back up, came down a bit, went back up, came back down a bit, and of course right now it has broken out from this particular resistance zone and it is still buying. Okay, so just like I've always been telling you, a particular trend cannot just be going directly till the end of the trend without any pullback. Okay, there will always be pullback in between. Okay, there will always be pullback in between. That is what we are seeing or experiencing right here. It happens on all the time frame. Okay, so your time frame will determine how big the pullback will be. Okay, so this is very important. So guys, I will be stopping right here. This is just the first video on this video series. Okay, and of course don't worry, when you watch the next video, I'm going to show you more on how you can put this non-repaint indicator into use so that you will get the best out of it. Okay, so watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.